In this video, you are going to learn how you can log out of Gmail on various devices. Next, the first thing we are going to do is go to the settings of your cell. Okay, select of your cell phone, and once we are there, we are going to go to where Google says. Okay, Google. We can see what we have. Many accounts, several accounts on this device, but we are going to go to where it says manage account or manage your account Google. We are going to go to where it says security and we are going to slide. Okay, security, slide where it say all your device. Your account is protect, recent security activity, suspicious, review security, password, Google Chrome, two-step verification phones, recover phones. Okay, we can see your device. Find a lost device. Manage all device. You see then all you can select one and go to where it say okay. How to location at times are determined. Select here and for example this and sing out. Do it like this successfully. You log out of all device with you having to log into that cell. This is all. Thank you for watching this video and don't forget to tell us if you have any question so we can resolve the problem. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and leave a like so we can continue creating tutorials.